Okay, so this is my RB26 crank that I've just had machined and polished. So it just needs a bit of a clean. And then I've just had the nose of the crank machined down to fit this adapter. Normally they come with grub screws to go in there, but the machine shop obviously reckon that it's not really needed. If it's done properly, it shouldn't come off, so we'll see what happens. Kerosene on a rag. So just got to make sure that this is super clean. Just getting another clean cloth, squat all the kerosene off. So I'm just using a bit of brake clean just to clean the crank, some journals in there as well. Use a bit of throttle and body carby clean just to. Okay, so this is a Crankin clean now. My RB26 block, spin board, and yeah, ready to go. Lock all together. Same process as crank. So I've just done my final clean with the carby clean. I've just sprayed it on. So I'll do now shoot a little bit of air just to get rid of any hair or dust or anything like that. Okay. As you can see, there's 3 studs that are longer than the rest, so yeah, just make sure you get those right. Okay, the first 2 long studs go at the back of the block, so that's where the 3 longest studs go. Okay, so I'm just gonna hand tighten these. Okay, so these are the oil squirters that I'm just about ready to install, but I'm just going to blast them with a bit of air just to make sure that they're nice and clean, so there's no issues later on down the track. Okay, so for these squirters, the bolts, it's a 10mm socket spanner. You need it to be kind of like that. Yeah, it's just a 10mm. Yeah, and then that just fits over the top, just like that. So, right, time to install these suckers. Okay, so 25 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, so now it's time to install these bearings. So you want the groove side in the block, and then the smooth side goes in the cradle. Okay, so as you can see, there's a notch there, and it actually meets up with that notch. And then to get it in, make sure that there's no lip on that side. No lip. that's that. That's all the bearings installed. Okay, so I've just got a bit of engine lube here just to make sure that when I sit my Crankin to check if it's within tolerance, it doesn't score it, or doesn't score the bearings. So I'm just putting a little bit on. Okay, so all the bearings have been fitted to the cradle as well, the same way as the blocks. Okay, so I'm just going to check the studs, make sure they're nice and tight. So this is at 20. Pull it down to 40. Starting at the middle. There we go. There's 60. Finally tight. Bit of a tune to see that, make sure there's no binding.